Welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and we've got an unboxing, and I'll be honest with you, I don't know what's in it. I've checked my eBay purchases and nothing in the last 2 months. So we'll see what it is. Okay, we got peanuts. Well, I think I do know what it is, but it's come from a different state than what was different state of Australia. Well, this makes sense. Here we go. New old stock blade. So this is more Perma-Sharps. So this is Smooth-X Perma-Sharp Super Stainless Steel blades. More smooth shaves per blade. So there are 3 blade dispenser. A little clip here. Sometimes. Why would you even bother? Don't know what this code is. Maybe that was supposed to be August. Who knows? Right, let's pop one out. Have a look. Well, that's pretty much off, so let's take it off. So there it is there. Oh, there's no cardboard advertising in the front of it. It's the actual blade. Let's have a look. Rinse blade and the razor and leave to dry. Super stainless. Bit of glue on there. Let's see on the other side. There it is there. You can see the glue. So that one I probably won't shave with, but probably the one underneath I'll have a go at. So keep watching my shave videos and you'll see this blade come up for a shave sometime in the near future. Let's see what it says here. Something Perma-Sharp are designed to provide friction-free shaving. It's most important that you do not damage the exclusive friction-free edge. For smoother shaves you should not wipe this blade. Simply rinse the blade in your razor and leave to dry. Smooth-X shave cream and Smooth-X Perma-Sharp blades together will give you the smoothest shaves. Alright, so there was a Smooth-X shave cream at some stage. I'll have to keep my eyes out for that. Okay people, hope you found that interesting and we'll chat soon. Ciao for now.